Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Doginphire Meme Coin. It's easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in description of the video. Once there, simply scroll down till you find the contract address, which is on the Solana network. Once you've clicked on this copy, you've copied the contract address. And with the contract address copied, minimize and head over to your Phantom wallet. Make sure you've downloaded and set up the Phantom wallet. Once you've opened up the Phantom wallet, make sure you have some mainnet Solana, which is this Solana over here. Make sure you have this Solana on your wallet. And with the Solana on your wallet, all you need to do is quite simple. Head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, select the Jupiter DeFi platform. Click on Jupiter DeFi. Alright guys, and once you've selected the Jupiter platform, you'd find that you're logged on to jupe.ag, and on jupe.ag, click on Connect Wallet and select Phantom Wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and you'd find that you've connected your Phantom Wallet to the Jupiter platform. Now on Jupiter, all you need to do is where we have paying, switch their places. So we are going to be buying the Doginphire Meme Coin with our Solana, and in place of USDC, click on this USDC option. Paste the contract address we just copied, click on the Fire coin, click on confirm, and now we're going to be entering an amount of Solana we would wish to swap for the Fire token. So all you need to do now is enter an amount of Solana you wish to swap for. So let's say for $2 worth of Solana. So guys, before you click on the swap option, set the slippage tolerance to 1% and click on Save Settings. Once you've done this, click on Swap and proceed to click on confirm. So we're going to be swapping $2 worth of Solana for 563 Fire tokens. So click on confirm. And as you can see here, it says the swap has been successful. So if you were to head back to your wallet and perform a simple reload, you'd find the Fire token on your wallet, Doginphire. Here we go. You'd find the token on your wallet, and as you can see here, you have the Doginphire tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.